Hello everyone, it's Dr. Taiba and today we will learn about ovarian endometrioma. And ovarian endometrioma is a form of cyst that forms outside the uterus where endometrial tissues grows. The ovaries are the most common sites for endometriomas. We will compare the normal image of the ovary with an ovarian endometrioma. The transvaginal approach provides much better images than a transabdominal approach. These are transvaginal images. On the left is an image of normal ovary. This is the ovary. The central echogenic region of the ovary is the ovarian stroma. These anechoic rounded structures are the follicles. This is a normal ovary. In the image on the right, the normal ovary is replaced by a cyst filled with blood. The blood is giving low-level internal echoes. The echo texture is homogeneous. It is smooth. This appearance is often termed as a ground glass appearance due to old blood content. This cyst is also called a chocolate cyst and its appearance is a classical hallmark of endometrioma. Here is another case of an endometrioma. You can see a chocolate cyst referring to the ground glass appearance cyst inside the ovary. Because it is a cyst, there will be posterior acoustic enhancement. This bright enhancement tells us what is indeed a cyst and not a solid. If both the ovaries has endometriosis, they may come next to each other and will be seen in a single image. This appearance is termed kissing ovaries. The ovaries are located close together behind the uterus due to adherence. This is the right ovary and it is seen next to the left ovary. They both have a ground glass appearance. Also, there is bright posterior acoustic enhancement. On Doppler, endometriomas do not show internal vascularity. Power Doppler is applied here and no Doppler signals are found inside the endometrioma. This feature differentiates an endometrioma from a tumor. A hole is a compartment or a cavity. In this case, we can see two tubules with a wall or septation separating each other. Endometriomas are usually clear from inside. They will not have any wall growth or solid tissue papillary projections. The papillary projections may be a sign of malignant tumor. Endometriomas often persist over several months and do not resolve over time. So this is the feature differentiate an endometrioma from a functional cyst which resolves over time. So a cyst with low-level internal echoes giving a ground glass appearance, having posterior acoustic enhancement with no internal vascularity on Doppler, no papillary projections, and persistence over time is an endometrioma. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more imaging and informative videos.